Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a sleek and practical accessory for BMW EV owners. The BMW 61905 A13A62 Wallmount Kit for the Flexible Fast Charger 2.0. If you've ever struggled with keeping your charging area tidy or managing long cables, this is designed to be the solution you've been looking for. The Wallmount kit is specifically engineered to work with this flexible fast charger 2.0, providing a secure and reliable way to mount your charging unit on the wall. The main highlight of this kit is its integrated cable management system. It keeps your cables neatly coiled and off the ground, which not only looks cleaner, but also prevents wear and tear on your charging equipment over time. No more tripping hazards or tangled cords in your garage. Installation is straightforward. The kit comes with a wall mount bracket, the necessary installation hardware, and a user manual, making it easy to set up even if you're not a DIY expert. Once installed, it holds your charger firmly in place, keeping it accessible whenever you need it without taking up valuable floor space. This is particularly convenient for homes with limited garage or storage areas. Durability is another strong point. The materials used in the construction are robust and built to last, ensuring that both the charging unit and the cables are held securely. Whether you're plugging in every day or just occasionally, this mount is designed to withstand regular use. Aside from functionality, the wall mount kit adds a touch of organization and sophistication to your charging setup. It keeps everything in its place and maintains a clean, clutter-free look, which is something every EV owner can appreciate. It's a simple upgrade that transforms how your charging station feels and functions. The kit is compact and lightweight, with package dimensions of just over 6 by 5 inches, making it easy to handle and position on your wall. BMW backs it with a 2-year warranty, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. In conclusion, this wall mount kit for the Flexible Fast Charger 2.0 is a must-have for anyone looking to streamline their EV charging experience. It combines thoughtful design, sturdy construction, and clever cable management to keep your garage neat and your charger ready to use. If you want a practical, stylish solution to organize your BMW charging setup, this wall mount kit is worth considering. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product insights. See you in the next video.